Welcome everyone. In this video, we will see how to do trend configuration in SmartComm PMS. To do trend configuration, navigate to the Viewer window, click on Trend. There are two types of trends: historical and real-time. Historical trend has three types: historical bar, historical step, and historical trend. Real-time trend has two types: trend linear and trend step. Now we will see how to configure real-time trends. Click on Trend Step to see its real-time trend. Click on Tags, select the desired tag from tag list. Click on Append and Submit. Navigate to the IDE window, open the tag editor. Open the selected tag for trends and change the values. You can see the trend step real-time trend. Now we will see trend linear real-time trend. Click on Tags, select the desired tag from tag list. Click on Append and Submit. Again, click on Submit. Navigate to the IDE window. Open the tag editor. Open the selected tag for trends and change the values. You can see the trend linear real-time trend. Now, we will see various features available in trends. Double-click to open trends. Then click on any of the real-time trends. Click on Tags, select the desired tag from tag list. Click on Append and Submit. This is Zoom In and Zoom Out icon. User can zoom in, zoom out as per their need. By clicking this icon, user can expand the Y-index and can see all tag values plotted on Y-index. Legends option is also available for different tags with different color. User can view tag values by just hovering on the plot. It showcases date, time, and tag value. Tag group is used to create tag group. Click on Create, enter the group name. Select the tags from Tag List, click on Append and click on Submit. User can delete, view, modify, and rename the tag group. User can print the trend reports from Reports option available in Trends. Click on Submit. That's all about real-time trends.
Thank you for watching.